I won't lie to you. I know it's just not right for you. And you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face. You can say that here's the one that you want, and you're spending all your time in this wrong situation. Anytime you want it to stop, I know I can treat you better than he can. Any girl like you deserve a gentleman. But tell me, why are we wasting time on a wasted crime? But you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better.